How can you ensure your cooling tower operates safely and efficiently from day one? This video explores the digital approach using eAuditor for commissioning inspections. Discover how it empowers teams to document and track every task with precision. A cooling tower commissioning inspection using eAuditor ensures all systems are correctly installed. Proper commissioning minimizes risks and maximizes efficiency. It establishes baseline performance data. Verify mechanical, electrical, and control systems. Ensure water treatment systems function effectively. Inspect fan motors and gearboxes for alignment. Check water distribution and fill media. Test pumps and piping for leaks and consistency. Verify the structural integrity of the tower framework. Test electrical wiring and control systems for calibration. Assess water chemistry and biocide dosing. Inspect filtration and chemical dosing equipment. Monitor for corrosion and microbial contamination. Measure airflow and cooling efficiency. Document test results and generate a commissioning report. Customize checklists and gather documents for pre-inspection. Conduct a systematic walkthrough and capture photos on-site. Analyze findings and generate a report post-inspection. eAuditor guides inspectors through every phase. It ensures comprehensive digital commissioning with corrective actions. Assign corrective actions directly in eAuditor. Track completion with photographic evidence. Schedule follow-up inspections for compliance. Monitor commissioning issues and performance trends. Maintain a digital archive for audits and updates. Standardize the commissioning process across towers. Ensure transparency with verifiable evidence. Streamline inspection and reporting. Minimize operational hazards and ensure compliance. Support predictive maintenance and continuous improvement. eAuditor transforms commissioning into a digital workflow. It reduces risk and accelerates operational readiness. Ensure your cooling tower operates safely and efficiently from day one.